give you one.
Another one.
Yeah.
My name is Elo Ajay from Ghana. I have been in this camp for 6 months. I was in Lampedusa, I came Agrejanto, I came this Calamilion. But this camp is very poor camp. But it has been contained big population, 3,000 and over. 3,000 and over population is in this camp now as I'm talking.
On ne peut pas dormir. On ne peut pas dormir. Comme on laisse les familles derrière. On vient ici, on s'aide. Pardon, vous nous aidez. Pardon, on demande pardon.
My name is Sophia.
Sophia, where do you come from?
Nigeria.
Nigeria. How long have you been in this place?
1 year, 4 months.
1 year, 4 months. And you have 2 babies?
I have, the next day I enter here, I deliver baby. Before I deliver the baby, I'm vomiting blood.
What do you want to say to the authorities, to the Italian authorities?
I just want to tell them, this camp, may they help us. We are not seeing anything here. I went to commission after 10 months for here. I went to commission. After 4 months, my results got, they give me negative.
Negative?
Yes.
Which baby?
Since I know, they give my baby clothes. 6 clothes.
6 clothes?
Yes, I'm begging clothes for this baby.
No point.
No money. Only cigarettes for tickets they give us. Cigarettes. But I'm not smoking. I'm going around to beg people to buy the cigarettes for me to eat. I left 2 children in Nigeria with old woman.
What about the papers?
They are there now, but they are not living good because I don't see anything to give them. I'm here, nothing else. I'm not working, I'm not doing anything. I just they sleep and wake. Rest that they are giving us is not done. We are eating food like people who are inside prison.
The food is not done.
It's not done. Yes, prison. It's like prison.
Pasta.
It past prison. Pasta.
So we are talking that they trying to
another people come from another camp. They give their residents, hospitality, children, bonus, everything. We are not seeing anything here. They are not giving us anything.
Okay.
If our sojourner expire, we will go there past 6 months before they renew the sojourner for you.
You know where we're coming here? You know that we are...
I know you people come to defend us,
right,
to rescue us, to help us.
That's what we
so
are.
We appreciate you people.
We say welcome refugees.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
So I see.
My name is Ayaman Timothy. I'm from Nigeria. I've been here for the past 1 year and 5 months. I went to commission, they gave me negative. I even gave the matter to lawyer. For more than 6 months now, I've not received my court date. So it's a problem. The life we are living here is like a hell. No, they don't give 98% of the people that is in this camp is negative. They don't give us documents, and it's a problem. We came here to have a better life, but them keeping us in the camp is like a hell because there is no life in the camp. If you look at this place now, we are in the middle of a desert. So there is no way we can live life here. We all came here for a better life, but no life here. So we are calling the international communities to please help us because there is no life here. We are in the hell here. Please, they should help us.